Hi Aquarius, welcome to Lisa's Spirit Readings. Welcome back if you've been here before. So we're going to do your general reading. Because it's a general reading, this isn't going to resonate for all of you, okay? So just take what you can, throw away what you can't, okay? Also, my readings are timeless. They'll find you when they're meant to find you. All of my info is in the description box. I do offer personal readings. The info for those is on my website, and that is in the description box as well. You can just click on the link and it'll take you right to my website. So we're going to take a look at your recent past, current energies, and near future. See what you got going on. I'm starting out with some oracle cards, and then I will pull your tarot cards. Okay. So let's see. For your oracle cards, we have Reflecting Pool. Okay, this is about stillness. So this could be similar to probably the Hangman energy, kind of keeping still to get a wider perspective of things, okay? You know, taking a step back so you're not so close to the situation. Then you have Wood Nymph, which is beauty. So to me, this one is living in the present moment, okay? Appreciating the present moment, noticing things around you, okay? Noticing things in nature, okay? Noticing the small details. And then you have Eagle Spirit, which is freedom. This one comes out for just about everybody every time I do a reading. That could be any number of things. We'll find out, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Spirit, what do we have for Aquarius, please? Messages for Aquarius. What does Aquarius need to know right now? Messages for Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Messages. Woo. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, this thing's moving. Messages for Aquarius. What else do we have? So I feel like something has been a pretty heavy burden, okay? Let's see, your overall energy, Wheel of Fortune, and we also have the Death card next to that. Five of Swords in reversed with the Two of Cups. Okay. It looks like you've got a lot of changes going on. You've got some endings of things, okay? Death is here with Wheel of Fortune. Death card is Scorpio energy. But something's ending, okay? And Wheel of Fortune is about new cycles, okay? Lots of change. So these two cards alone, in your overall energy, is a lot of change, okay? A lot of change. And it seems like you've been struggling to either have patience in a situation or forgiveness, okay? Or both. And it's really been a struggle, okay? It's been a huge burden for you, whatever this situation is. It's like you've been carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders with this. You've got the 10 of Wands here. Notice this is another 10, okay? Now 10s, they also speak of endings, okay? Endings and beginnings. But there's some kind of burden here that you've been dealing with, and it's in relation to whatever you've been patient about or trying to find forgiveness for something. Temperance also is about divine timing, okay? But this is in reverse. So it's saying, for something the timing wasn't right, or the timing is not right, okay? And there's been times where you just want to take a break from all of the burden. It's kind of like you can't escape it, okay? You've got 4 swords here. Really about taking a break. And this is about this oracle card, stillness, okay? When you take a break, and these are swords, so this is about your thoughts, okay? Your thinking process. It's kind of like you just want the mental anguish here to stop, okay? So then your current energy, King of Swords, 6 of Swords in reverse, 6 of Pentacles in reverse. It's kind of, I just noticed this. You have 3 kings in this reading. King of Swords, King of Pentacles, King of Cups in reverse. The only one that you don't have yet is King of Pentacles. Middle of your reading, you have the 6 of Swords in reverse. There's something that it seems like you've for some reason you've changed gears with this, okay? 6 of Swords is typically moving away from something chaotic, okay? Moving out of that energy. And you're still stuck in it, okay? I don't know if that's by choice or not. Typically it is, even though it may be something we don't consciously realize that we're choosing, but we usually are. And just below this, we have the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, okay? This one here is about balance. So both of these, so 6s are harmony, okay? They're harmony, they're balance, balanced energy. Your thoughts are not clear, okay? They're chaotic, they're all over. Could have a lot of anxiety. And this here, Six of Pentacles, is about equality, okay? Time, effort, um, equal give and take. One person not giving more than the other. Somebody here is giving more than the other person in a situation. King of Swords, this is probably you, okay? You are an air sign, and this is the King of Swords. You're in a place right now, I feel, that while I feel you have anxiety, at the same time, you have moments of clarity, okay? That's what the King of Swords is. Mental clarity, okay? It's about thinking logically. It's about planning, goal setting. It's also about being truthful and honest, okay? It's a position of not being afraid to say what you need to say, and not just say it, but say it with clarity, okay, and conviction, assertively. All right. So some of you are really in this place of it's almost like partial clear thinking at times, and then other times you feel chaotic, okay, energy wise. Near future or future, King of Pentacles. Didn't I say you didn't have the King of Pentacles here? Why did I say that? You do have the you do have the King of Pentacles here. The one you don't have here is King of Wands. So King of Pentacles, this is future energy, okay? Now this is about stability, okay? Financial security, feeling safe, feeling secure. This one here could represent someone in your life, someone older than you, a father figure, could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, doesn't have to be. Or this could be in relation to you and your sense of security, okay? And you're going to have a lot of options coming up. Seven of Cups, options, illusions, or confusion, all right? We also have the King of Cups. Now this king is all about love. He's the only king here in reverse, all right? So this is somebody who is lacking emotionally. Their emotions have changed towards you. They're emotionally confused, okay? One of these. King of Cups is typically very emotionally stable, but this is in reverse here. So I'll get more when I clarify. Let me get my other deck. And we'll see what we got. I'm going to start in the center of your reading with the Six of Wands in reverse, and that's that chaotic energy I was talking about. Oh, that one wanted to come out. Sun in reverse. You're not happy. Okay. The Sun is Leo energy. The Sun is the happiest card in the deck, and it's in reverse, okay? This place that you're in, and it almost feels like, see, the Six of Swords is kind of it's a funny card. Because it's swords, okay? It's air energy. However, you see the blue swirls on the bottom of this card? down at the bottom here. It's kind of like blue. There's some yellow and reds. Okay, so the blue is water. The yellow and red represent movement. Okay, so this is like kind of like a tidal wave, kind of like, what do they call it? High surf. I don't know. I'm in Michigan, so I probably didn't say that correctly, but it's kind of like drowning. Okay. At the same time, this, so the Six of Swords, like I said, is about moving out of this energy of chaos. But you're here. Okay. And it's like I get the feeling of you drowning. Okay. You're like almost like you're drowning and you can't catch your breath type of energy. And now we have the Sun card clarifying this. Okay. I want to get two more on this. Okay. Strength, another Leo card. Wow, that's crazy. Both the Leo cards coming out right here. And Knight of Wands. All three of these cards clarifying this are fire energy. So Knight of Wands, it's a younger energy, but wands are movement, their energy, their passion, their, fire energy is about making up your mind and just going after something. Okay, it's not wishy-washy energy. However, knights are about, they're not stable energy. And this card right here is my card for somebody being a player. Okay, they're younger typically. They're selfish because they just do what they want to do. Okay, they don't care about the consequences, and a lot of times they don't care about other people. They'll come in and they'll tell you one thing but do another. All right. So it's like using all of your strength here. You're struggling to be happy, number one. Okay, the Sun was the first card to clarify, but it's in the reverse. And then you've got the strength here. Both of these are fire energy. It's kind of like, you're trying to muster up the strength to keep from drowning here. Okay, in this tidal wave. This could be your energy, but I don't think so. Because this is the center of the reading. So I feel like the struggle may have to do with a person in your life who may represent this Knight of Wands energy. Okay. Like I said, they're knights, they're younger, they're not usually stable. Okay, they're still maturing. They can, especially this card, the Knight of Wands, it's an immature energy. It's an energy of selfishness. All right. And that may, so the person that you're dealing with in this situation could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They don't have to be, but this could represent, their energy, how they behave type of thing. Okay. So now I'm going to go back over to the recent past with Temperance here. Why is Temperance here? Temperance being clarified by the Knight of Swords. We have another knight in the game. This is your energy. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. What else? 2 more, please. God, Temperance again, and it's in the reverse again. These cards are hard to see. They're holographic cards. Different deck. Still in the reverse, okay? King of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords in the reverse. There's a lot of people showing up in this damn reading. Let me say this now, okay? Both of these air energy. Again, another knight coming in here. I feel like this person already came in because this is the past energy. Whoever this is, I feel this here was, you had harsh words with them. I feel like this Queen of Swords was probably your energy at the time. It may have been an argument. I feel like that's why these are here with this Temperance, and there's something happened here. So this person may have been younger than you, okay, because this is a knight. They were either younger or they act younger. Again, they may act immature. And you may have said some harsh words, raised your voice, gotten pretty blunt, okay? There's like a argument kind of feeling coming in with this, okay? Especially because the Queen of Swords is in reverse. Because when y'all get angry, I'm just saying, So it almost feels like you lost your cool right here with this person. Like you'd like, it's the feeling of like, I've had it up to here, and kind of like a bomb going off kind of feeling. All right, take it if it resonates. Okay, let's move on to this 10 of Wands. Why is the 10 of Wands here? Why? Sorry, this feel like my cards are so loud. Ace of Wands, more fire energy. Chariot in reverse, that's Cancer energy. And the Empress. Empress is Taurus energy. She's like all 4 queens rolled into one here, okay? She's nurturing, grounded, can represent a mother figure to you, or can speak to the fact of you may have children of your own. The Chariot here, that's Cancer energy, it's in reverse. Now the Chariot is about moving forward, determination. It's an Ace of Wands, which is fire energy, it's passion, okay? And it's here with this energy of, this burden that you've been carrying. And I feel like somebody hasn't been willing to like meet you in the middle. This Chariot is in reverse. That's about forward movement, okay? Determination, will, balancing out of things. And you're stepping up as this Empress, okay? And she's a badass, let me just say. She gives birth to things, okay? She's like the equivalent of Mother Earth, all right? Dependable, loyal, frugal, carrying, just she's like I said, she's like all the queens rolled into one. You're coming in as the Empress here. And someone else is coming in as this Knight of Wands. So I feel like this, whoever this person is, like you are way more mature than they are, okay? Is what I'm getting from this. Okay. And I feel like that right there is, it's creating this burden that you've been carrying around, and it's like you're trying, you're trying to, like, it's almost like you're trying to light a fire under their ass or something, and it's not working, and it's been a heavy burden for you. All right. It's like you're trying to muster up all your strength, and it's like you keep trying and trying and trying and trying, and it's not working, and you're in this tidal wave, and it's like you're going around in this big circle. Okay. Oh God. Okay, hold on, it hit the floor. Okay, I wasn't ready, so let me shuffle here. Why is the Four of Swords here? Now this one here is about this taking a rest, which I feel like, a lot of you need. God, these cards just want to fly out at me here, Aquarius. Okay, why is the Four of Swords here? Four of Swords is being clarified by the King of Wands. Okay, so now all four kings are here. This was the one that was not here before. Okay. Aries. Well, it is Aries energy. Fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let me get two more and see. Two more, please. Wow, Four of Swords in the reverse. I feel like these two were both you just overworking yourself to death with this burden that you were carrying. God, hit the floor again. Oh. Whew. I feel like for some of you, you may have thrown yourself into work or some other type of project here to keep your mind off everything else. Okay. Some of you may have overworked yourself. Because here we have the Four of Swords in reverse. And under here it's in the upright. So it's almost like you finally realize, like, damn, I can't do this anymore, and you just kind of step back from that. And the Star card, this is you. You're showing up here. This is your card, Aquarius. A lot of healing here. And I feel like for some of you, this was the equivalent of I can't do this anymore. I can't keep trying to get this person to do these things. It's hurting me. I'm exhausted. I have to stop or not do it as much so that I can heal my own energy. It's almost like you were killing yourself, exhausting yourself trying to change this situation. Okay, so let's go into the current energy. King of Swords. See why the King of Swords. So all four kings are in this reading. Unbelievable. Okay. Why is the King of Swords here? Nine of Cups. Oh boy, what else? Let's see. Two more. The World. That is the ending of a cycle. It's coming in with the Nine of Cups. Page of Swords. Some of you may not be speaking to someone here, okay? Page of Swords in reverse. Some of you may have turned your back on this person and decided to move away from them energetically. Nine of Cups, that's emotional fulfillment. However, it's a 9, it's not a 10, so it's more of an energy of single type of, you know, doing things on your own. Like, okay, I'm going to create my own happiness here. You know, I'm moving away from this, carrying this burden, and now I have to look out for myself. Let me go down to the Six of Pentacles down here. Why is the Six of Pentacles here? Try not to have it land on the floor again. Six of Pentacles being clarified by, God, the King of Swords again. It's in reverse. Three of Pentacles. One more, please. Okay, there was some kind of deception here going on. And again, we have the King of Swords. This time it's in reverse. Okay, this could be the other person. King of Swords in reverse. That's harsh words. Could be lies. Very possibly it could be lies. Somebody, you know, we've got the Seven of Swords here in reverse, Three of Pentacles. There could have been a third party situation here. It's like you're trying to get over this feeling of being deceived. King of Swords in reverse, Seven of Swords in reverse, Three of Pentacles. Okay. And the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Totally unbalanced stuff going on here. No equality in this situation. Okay. This King of Swords, you might still be having words with this person. This is in the current energy, but you're all in a different timeline, okay? So any of these could be intermingled as far as past, present, or future. Three of Pentacles. Somebody may, okay, so this is either third party or somebody, this person could be saying to you, yeah, I'm willing to work on this and work with you, okay? Three of Pentacles is about working on a foundation, working with other people, working with another person to build a solid foundation, to build stability, okay? Working as a team. But it's here with the Six of Pentacles in reverse, which is the complete opposite of that, okay? So I feel like someone was not telling the truth. They were deceitful in some way. They were trying to get away with something, or maybe they still are. Depending on if this resonates and what timeline you're on, this Seven of Swords carries an energy of sneaky behavior, trying to get away with something, okay? This person may be telling you what they think you want to hear, okay? All right, let's go to the future energies. King of Pentacles, give me some good stuff, please, Spirit Lord. We need some good stuff in this reading. King of Pentacles being clarified by the Four Cups in reverse. Let me get two more on that. Two more, please, on this King of Pentacles. Two more on the King of Pentacles. Five of Wands, conflict. One more. God, Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so this Queen of Wands can represent someone in the mix here who was creating some conflict, okay? Queen of Wands is here with the King of Pentacles, could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. King of Pentacles, though, is typically a stable, loyal, financially secure person who is about loyalty, dependability, okay? But it's here with the Four of Cups in reverse. Somebody finally, it's like somebody finally realizing what's going on in the present, because for a minute it's you know, Four of Cups can be about focusing too much on the past and not knowing what's in the present, okay? It's in reverse here with this King of Pentacles, this Five of Wands, which is battle energy, okay? Competition, conflict, and it's here with this Queen of Wands, fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But remember this stillness card, okay? We've already had the Four of Swords, that restful energy. Remember I said the stillness energy allows you, or is about living in the present moment, because it's like this energy here, it's almost as if you finally go, oh my God. Okay, now I get it. I see it. It's been there the whole time in front of me, and I didn't see it before. Now, this Queen of Wands and King of Pentacles may spur that on for you, if these people resonate for you. They might both be involved in the mix here. Queen of Wands could also be your energy. Queen of Wands, it's fire energy, so it's finally getting it's kind of like, stepping up and saying, okay, I've just had it. I've had enough. It's kind of like kicking them to the curb kind of energy. Okay. So let's go on to the Seven of Cups. Choices, illusions, confusions. We'll see, hopefully. Why is the Seven of Cups here? Why is the Seven of Cups here? Why is the Seven of Cups here? This Six of Swords is still in the reverse. That's the one in your center of your reading that I said was about moving on from the chaotic, troubled waters. Now, it's easier to see on this card, maybe not because it's a holographic. Down here, this water's choppy, okay? There's waves in it. Where he's going, all on, the direction he's going, that's all, it's still water, okay? But you're stuck in this. You're instead of going away, you're staying in it. And maybe you're staying in it because you're confused. Maybe you're staying in it because you don't feel you have other options, but you do. The Seven of Cups is saying you have options available to you. All right, let me get two more on this. Two more cards, please. Look, and here we are with this Ten of Wands again. that's in your past energy right here. Staying in this situation is like carrying, you know, hundreds of pounds on your back, walking around with it. Let me get one more. Here we go. This is what you need. This is the Hangman. That I said was almost the equivalent of this reflecting pool, the stillness card. He's just hanging out from the tree, upside down, as still as can be. And the reason is he's gaining enlightenment. There's a yellow halo around his head here. Okay. He's got to take a step back to see the bigger picture. Okay. He's got to quit swirling around in this chaotic tidal wave and be still and get a better perspective to gain some enlightenment. He's going to gain some knowledge by doing that. Okay. When you're too much in the mix of things, you know, we get blinded because we're too far in it. All right. And some of you are going to stay stuck in that because it's still there in the future energies here. Why is the King of Cups here? King of Cups in reverse. This is the King of Love. This is emotional, you know, non-emotional energy towards you, or not as much love or confusion when it comes to love. And look what card clarifies this. It's the Seven of Cups. Same card you have. But they're not confused. This is in the reverse. They know they have options, okay? And they're not confused either when it comes to those options. So they know. And this person is giving you a lot of anxiety. Eight of Swords. Self-imposed anxiety. And I'm actually surprised it didn't come up before this, to be honest. It's overthinking, it's anxiety, it's a lot of stuff going on in your head there. One more on this. Let me get one more. One more, please. One more. Come on now, Spirit. I just want one more. One more. Three of Cups. So 2 3s are here now. 3 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. Coming in with the King of Cups in reverse. 7 of Cups in reverse. Now the 3 of Cups and the 8 of Swords. This definitely could have something to do with this person being in a third party situation. That's their options. These 3 of Cups here. Okay. And here's you. Okay, whew, we need some advice from Spirit on this situation. Okay. I do feel like something is going to come to an end, though. You've got this overall energy of this Wheel of Fortune and the Death card. Okay. Something's going to end here. Okay, Spirit, what advice do you have? Wow, that one came out fast. Page of Wands. Okay, that's no new movement towards this person. No energy towards the person. Let's see what else. What else? Nine of Cups in reverse. Is it Nine of Cups in reverse? No, actually, it wasn't in reverse the first time. Okay, what else do we have? Let me... Okay, we have Aries energy now. We've got the Fool. I've got the Three of Pentacles again. What else? What else, Spirit? What other advice? King of Wands in reverse. Don't... Okay. So this is not giving... This is fire energy again. This could be about not getting too angry with the situation or the person, or not getting angry with yourself. The Fool here, which is Aries energy, that's about taking a leap of faith, okay? Page of Wands in reverse, that's like not speaking or moving, you know, not speaking to somebody basically, or not offering them any more of your energy. Five of Wands again, and the Sun in reverse again, bottom of the deck. Aquarius, this is a tough situation for some of you if this is resonating. Definitely a tough situation, okay? So I hope that was somewhat helpful. If it was, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate if you hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and hit that notification bell. I'm also going to be doing your love reading, probably not till tomorrow though. So that ought to be interesting. And on Valentine's Day, no less. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Everybody enjoy the rest of your night or day or wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in, and enjoy the rest of your week, and watch for that love reading coming up. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.